Namaste. Welcome to episode 4 of Does God Exist? In this episode, I wanted to share a interesting conversation I had with a friend of mine who works for a heavy engineering industry. He is into the maintenance aspect of the industry. He had a lot of conversations with him, and in one of the points he said, Prakash, it doesn't matter whether God exists or does not exist. I'll give you a different perspective. He told me that the need for a God is a must, hence he exists. I asked him, how is it possible? He gave me a very interesting analogy. He said, I work in a heavy engineering industry. There's a lot that needs to be done for things to work properly. Right from the machinery to the equipment to the whatever you can think of. And unless there is a huge team behind this, and the huge team is headed by a few people, and finally it's headed by one more maintenance head for the factory or the unit, things will not work. The time when people make a note of our department is when things don't work. We have to maintain to ensure that things run smoothly so that people's job can go on. Likewise, he said, in this universe of vast propositions, leave alone the universe, even if we take the earth, with all that has to happen for the earth to function properly, even if the earth shifts by 1 degree in its axis, it can mean the end of earth. Right from the timely rains to whatever needs to be done, the 4 seasons, everything has to happen as per order. We can't leave things to chance. If these things have to happen by order, even if for such a small factory, even for a home, even to get a cup of coffee in the morning, there's a lot of people have to do before the cup of coffee is ready. Right from the time the coffee seed is planted, to the time it's harvested, to the time it is processed and it is sent home, and then it's made into a lovely coffee in the morning that you have. Everything that goes into our existence is based on someone doing the job, and that is too big a risk for it to be left alone. And hence, he believes in the Sanatana Dharma concept, and he drew a parallel and said, this is precisely the reason we have a God called Vishnu. So that everything that has been created before, by nature it is destroyed, it is maintained properly from the time a child is born till it goes through the life and finally passes on. There is a lot that has to be done for the child to go through the life. And it is too much to leave it to chance per se. It has to be properly taken care. And hence, for the sake of sheer maintenance of this universe, to ensure that we get our grain of rice on time, our water in time, our air pure and clean, name anything, right from our fundamental needs to luxuries, everything has to be taken care. And hence, I derive that God exists. It made me thinking, because all along I always had been talking to people, reading a lot on 2 fundamental aspects. God exists because, God doesn't exist because. But this perspective that he threw at me was very, very interesting. He said God needs to exist, otherwise who will take care of the job? That really proved to be a very good input for me, which I thought I will share with you in this episode. does God exist? From a need-based perspective. I need my father, I need my mother, I need my sister, I need my brother, I need my children, I need my teachers, I need the social ecosystem because I have to live. Likewise, God comes in any form, in any attribute, whichever way you say, finally He has to be there for me to lead my life well and peacefully. Hence, he derived that God needs to exist. And with that comment, I'll close this episode till we meet again. Thank you.